Hey YouTubers, if you're a filmmaker or videographer and you are looking to capture an epic looking shot, how do you do it? Well, today in this video we're gonna see 10 easy gimbal moves which can make your video look very cinematic. Stick around. Hey everyone, LB's here. As I told you, I'm going to show you 10 easy gimbal moves which can make your video look very cinematic. These moves you can use for documentary videos, shooting films, commercial video, and other kind of any video which you are making for. So now we're gonna see these moves and then you're gonna tell me the most one you like. Guys, all gears that I use in this video, you can check their link in the description below. So let's get started. Gimbal move number 1, the follow. This is a beautiful move and it is very nice to start your video. It is very simply to follow your subject behind. Guys, you have to keep your subject in equal distance in your frame. For this wide, and it helps you to show your location where your subject is. You can use low angle, medium, close up. Just keep follow your subject and be consistent. Move number 2, the reverse follow. This is exactly same as the first one, but on this time I'm following my subject in the front side and walking backward. And it's a great way for establish your subject and automatically it tells the story you are trying to tell. The gimbal moves number 3, the stepping leviera. This is the same as the second one. The reverse follow, but in this move my subject comes from outside of the frame and jumping into my frame. This is the best way to show your location and introduce your subject. Gimbal move number 4, the side track. For this move, the people who is shooting must walking the front forward, but the camera must be looking on the left or right side. So you have to walk smoothly in order your footage look very cinematic. Gimbal move number 5, the wipe transition. In this move, I'm gonna need 2 shots. Shot number 1, this side track of close-up angle. When I shoot this, I will put on the subject in which will help me to jump in the second shot. So this is my subject. Shot number 2. On the second shot, I will start on my object and move out of my character. In editing software, it's just simple cut. Is to combine these 2 clips by using this subject. Gimbal move number 6, the chest transition. This is very creative move. For this move, we need also 2 shots. Shot number 1, you have to push forward to catch your subject and stop directly when you get on it. Shot number 2, you have to start in your subject backwards and move backward. Your subject will keep moving forward. Gimbal move number 7, the mini jib revealer. Again, we're gonna track backwards, but on this time we're gonna start by subject fit and move slowly lift up your camera up. This is a great way for showing your character details, shows, clouds, and other stuff which is on your character. Number 8, the soft focus leverer. On this move, you have to focus out the frame you want and put your lens in manual mode, so move backwards. When you make reverse in your soft, you will get a great cinematic look. The gimbal move number 9, the all beat. This move is to walk around in the cycle and keep in equal distance from them. Be consistent and keep your subject in the center of the frame. My rest move is a fake drone. This move, you have to move backwards to your subject and slowly lift up your camera up. This is a fake drone using your gimbal. Guys, those are 10 gimbal moves which makes your video look epic, cinematic look. If this video is very helpful to you, please leave your thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget to share to your friends, and drop your comment down below. Let me know what you think. So now I'm going now. We will meet again in next video. See you.